National Education Policy 2020 Reimagining Vocational Education prepared by VI Qureshi from MAI High School, Ulpar, Surat. National Education Policy 2020 Reimagining Vocational Education. First point, towards a new era of vocational education in India. Introduction of vocational education from grade 6 onwards to enable them acquire necessary skill, further education and training. Vocational Vocationalization of education to be expanded in all government and government aided schools through Samagra Shiksha Abhiyan. Student support services which integrate education, labor market and community services to be enhanced. Skill based aptitude test SBT to be introduced to provide guidance to students for career choice. Awareness programs to be organized to the general attitude towards vocational education. Second point, more access to vocational education for students. Integration of vocational education programs into mainstream education in educational institutions in a phased manner to emphasize the dignity of labor and importance of various vocations involving Indian arts and artisanship. Third point, focus on real life learning for more adaptability. To help young students acquiring lifelong learning skills to cope up with the rapid paces of technological changes. Opportunity to learn from real life contexts that address their personal, social, and economic issues. To equip students with the ability to identify, create, initiate, and successfully manage personal, business work, and community opportunities. Associative devices, appropriate tech based tools, and technical learning materials to be made available to children with disabilities. Fourth one, role of NCERT in fostering vocational education. To develop NCFSE, which will integrate vocational education and schooling from middle level onwards. To prepare guideline textbooks and teacher handbooks for vocational subjects. To develop a position paper and assessment and examination reform focusing on competency based assessment and evaluation. School Education Board to be strengthened to carry out the assessment of vocational courses. Fifth one, professional development of vocational teachers. Teachers or trainers to be given opportunities to learn the latest innovation and advances in their professions. Then training to be offered in multiple like national international workshops, online teachers development, common national professional standards for teachers NPST to be developed by 2022. Vocational teachers training programs to be organized by NCERT, NIOS, CBSE or state boards, etc. Sixth one, mainstreaming vocational education offering more choice. Higher education institution for offer Vocational education either on their own or in partnership with industry and NGOs. Focus areas to be chosen based on skill gap, analyze mapping of local opportunities. HEIS to conduct short-term certificate courses in various skills including soft skill. Vocational courses to be available for students enrolled in all bachelor's degree programs. Department of Higher Education to provide vertical mobility of students undertaking vocational education school by offering similar courses. Seventh one, National Skill Qualification Framework NSQF to be detailed further for each discipline, vocation and profession. Framework to provide the basis for recognition prior learning RPL. Vocational courses creating to new and emerging skill demands of the industry. Elementary robotics and IoTs to be developed. Eighth one, Lokvidya connecting knowledge of India with vocational education. Knowledge from ancient India and its contribution to modern India with regard to education, health, environment, etc. Lokvidya to be an important vocational knowledge to developed in India and to be made accessible to students through integration vocational education. Exciting e-learning platforms such as Diksha Swayam and Swayam Prabha to be leveraged for creating virtual labs. 10th one, implementation plan for vocational education. NCRT to prepare national curriculum framework for school education to integrate vocational in education and schooling from middle level onwards. Vocational teachers training programs for promoting new learning method to be organized.